We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a pot of delicious homemade chili, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Okay, here I'm showing you some of our ingredients. I also have some more ingredients to show you if you want to spice this homemade chili up. But we're going to start off with these. And right now I'm chopping up my onions and we're going to get started making our chili. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Okay, in our pot, we have some ground chili meat. This is optional. You can use regular ground beef if you prefer. And the best kind to use is the ground chuck. So what I'm doing here, I'm breaking down the meat so I can season it. Here we're adding some onion powder, garlic powder. I'm not going to add as much garlic powder because we're going to use minced garlic in our recipe. Black pepper, salt, chopped onions. We're going to give this a quick stir. Now we're adding in our minced garlic and we're going to stir once again. We're going to continue to stir until our meat mixture becomes fully cooked. Make sure to stir and mix all your meat up well until you no longer see any pink. Because if you see pink, that means your meat isn't fully cooked. Okay, our meat has fully cooked. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it from the heat, drain it, and then I'm return it to the pot. Okay, since we have drained our meat, now let's finish seasoning our meat. Here we're adding in some Rotel tomatoes. You can use the original or the mild. The Rotel tomatoes are optional, but if you don't like them, you can always use just regular tomato sauce. Or you can leave out the tomatoes or the tomato sauce and add beef broth instead. Here I'm adding in tomato sauce as well. I'm adding in a little bit at a time. When I'm sharing most of my recipe, I try to pinpoint how much I'm adding because when I'm just cooking alone, I just throw things in there, not even knowing the amount, but I'm here to help. So what I do, I just add a little tomato sauce at a time to get the consistency that I'm looking for. Here I'm adding more tomato sauce. If you love beans in yours, you can always add kidney beans or pinto beans to this recipe. 1 or 2 cans will do. Now we're adding in our chili powder, and you can use as much or less as you prefer. This is what brings home the flavor of your chili. Me, myself, I love a semi-bold taste in my chili, so I use quite a bit of chili powder. It's all up to you in the amount of chili powder that you use. While making your chili, make sure you go back and taste. Taste as you go to see if you have enough flavor in your chili. That's why I say I add a little tomato sauce, a little salt, to make sure you get that taste of chili. If it don't taste like chili, it's not chili. So make sure you taste. Since I'm making a big pot of chili, I use like 4 to 5 tablespoons of chili powder. Because, like I say, I like the bold flavor. And plus, I'm going to add if you want a hearty beef chili, I got some extra seasonings for you to use. Here I'm showing you my secret ingredients. If you want to make a big pot of hearty beef chili, here I'm adding in crushed red peppers, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, and paprika. You can use the regular paprika or you can use the smoked paprika. Both are good. Okay, if you don't want your chili as thick as I have mine, you can always use beef broth. I'm showing y'all in this recipe that if you want it a little more diluted, you can add, and with more juices in it, you can add beef broth. Just like I say, it's all up to you. Some people like to pour it, be able just to pour. I'm showing you the consistency that it is right now. But if you want more beef broth, use it. Make this recipe yours. Like I said, make sure you taste your chili to get the flavor. Flavor means a lot. And if you want to add more of the cumin, you add it. If you want to add more of the chili powder, you add it. Salt, and just make sure to taste for the flavor. After tasting and making sure your seasonings are on point, you can simmer this. Simmer this for at least 30 minutes. And then you're good to go. Okay, we're going to let this simmer, and make sure to simmer it on a low heat where it's barely simmering. Okay, so that way all the flavors are coming together. Okay, we're going to let this simmer for 30 minutes, and then we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. I wish I could share this chili with each and every one of you. Y'all, this chili was so delicious. And the thing about chili, you can serve it in a bowl or on nachos, hot dogs, or whatever way, on Frito pie, or whatever way you want to use it. And that's one good thing about this. And you can also freeze it. You can freeze the chili and use it to your convenience. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, as always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!